everybody, how's it going? We forgot the GoPro yesterday, so we got some things done. Not a lot, but just a little. I ended up finding out that the bus is not... I was concerned about emergency exits, about cutting the wires for the emergency exit and stuff like that, because of the... in the newer buses, if an emergency exit is open, then you cannot start the bus when you go to try to start the bus. And so I was concerned that there was a kill switch. That noise is Marie up front in the bus grinding off. I'm going to go show you what she's doing here in a minute. Anyway, so yeah, come to find out there is no kill switch. So I can start cutting as much wire as I need and or want and start getting it out of here. So that's the plan. So yesterday I was doing a lot of research and stuff like that, getting the wires done up and everything else, trying to get them done. There's a whole mess of wires right here. All that wire is part of the security system. There's Marie. So basically what she's doing is the black part up above the bus is where it said school bus on it, and it's a giant reflective sticker, and they painted black over it. Well, she's grinding down with the grinder, and we put a sandpaper bit on it for the time being. But that's what she's accomplished so far. So she's killing it. It's kind of hard. We got this shroud thing that goes over the grinder, and then you connect the shop back to it, and then it sucks up everything so it doesn't leave any mess. We didn't do that yesterday. So yesterday, all this ground back here was covered in metal dust and yellow paint, sticker, and metal shavings and stuff like that, because we ground down to the actual metal. And so the metal doesn't start rusting or anything like that. I had to go buy some primer. Sorry for the noise. Just trying to get back here. We created a little scrap pile back here. Some house stuff that we don't need anymore. But anyway, sorry, hold on. Anyway, so there was this just fine metal paint and sticker dust all over the place. We used the shop vac and vacuumed it all up. But there's a big giant sticker right here that Marie got rid of. And then she got rid of the sticker up there. And then I had to go, like I said, I had to go buy some primer. Paint, and I just went to Nampa, who's not sponsored by us, by the way, but I went to Nampa and picked up some primer filler paint, because there's some gouges in the metal of the bus, and I wanted to make sure that stuff got picked up. So, matter of fact, if you see right here, all this like little yellow sparkly stuff right here, this is all part of the grinding and everything else. So obviously I missed sucking up that portion. So now what I got to do, as soon as I get back inside the bus, I have to move everything from the driver's side of the bus to the passenger side of the bus, and then I have to start taking the driver's side windows out, because we've got to clean all the gunk from inside there and clean all that gunk out. And so, and of course I'm going to leave that to Miss Marie while I continue to tackle the wiring stuff. So unfortunately Marie's got very bad tendonitis in her shoulders, and I could do the grinding, but
by the way, that tool
So she's not very happy right now. So anyway, I'm gonna shut you guys off for the time being, and then when I start taking out some windows and doing some more wiring, I'll turn it on. We just got Marie doing a little bit of sanding out there. So we'll get back to you. Hey everybody. So,
hey.
She always looks so happy when she says hi.
You know what? It's hot, and I'm doing coveralls, and that damn rubber is freaking a pain in the you-know-what to get off. And I'm the only one that's doing it, and I'm losing some energy here. Well?
She was wearing coveralls. She just stripped them off.
Yeah, 'cause I'm hot, and I'm roasting, and because that rubber's a pain, yeah, I kind of feel like I'm draining right now. Rubber's worse over here than it was over there.
Anyway, so the grinding on the front, I kind of took over because her tendonitis started hurting real bad. And we got it painted red. Although, if you see all those marks in it and stuff like that. Anyway, what we're trying to do is capture all the dust and everything else and so on and so forth. And we spent $50. Oh crap. This is the wrong container. This is the container for grass. Anyway, we spent $50 on this thing right here. As you can tell right here, see my finger underneath it. It ate a hole in it. So now it's not sucking up everything anymore. So now it's garbage. So since we damaged it, broke it, we can't take it back and get our money back. So that was just a waste of $50. I didn't realize I was throwing all of our stuff and stuff like that in his yard debris bin where his grass and stuff like that goes. It should have went into his recycling bin. So anyway, Miss No Energy over here.
I'll get back up and get some more done.
It's gonna get back on the windows. I'm gonna see about what I can do about doing some of the wiring. She wants me to help with the windows, but I gotta get this wiring taken care of. I gotta get it down off the roof so that way I can start working towards getting the roof ready to be raised, so on and so forth. So I gotta go through this wiring and pull a bunch of wiring out. So I gotta try to get through as much of it as I can. So gonna get back at it. I'm gonna shut you guys off for a minute so I can get things organized, and then I'll turn you guys back on and stick you up so you guys can see what we're doing, and then we'll go from there.
Ta-ta until then.
Hey everybody.
Howdy.
So I kind of jumped the gun a little bit and forgot to turn back the camera back on, so sorry about that. So here's a group of cables that I just took down. These are the driver's side clearance lights. So all the lights that are up above that run around the back side, on the side and stuff like that, that's what these wires are. So you got to keep these. And then these ones are the passenger side clearance lights. Oh no. That's the passenger side turn signal lights. That's what that one is. And then the passenger side, oops, I just unplugged Marie. There we go. hear some air coming out. There's a hole in the air seat down here, and I just had the bus running. This bundle of wires here is our passenger side clearance lights. So they're the lights that are on the very top of commercial vehicles. That includes trailers and stuff like that. Marie's hard at it. Cleaning windows. Actually, I'm going to take you back here with me.
Hey everyone. Well, unfortunately, we have to call it an early day today because John's glasses fell apart. I was doing the windows and I was right next to the emergency door, getting ready to almost finish up, and
Here, we'll go like this. That's supposed to hold on to the bottom of my lens. Right here in this corner. And now it's hanging down, touching my face, and it's irritating the crap out of me.
so which means I'm driving back home to the eye doctor place where we got them so they can get them fixed. So we are wrapping it up today, looks like, and today's Wednesday, so we'll be back Monday. Yes, we will be back Monday because tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, we are taking a trip to Weed, California for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We will be back on Sunday, but we will be back on the bus Monday. So we will be seeing you guys then. So until Monday, you guys have a good rest of the 2 days, as well as have a great weekend. Ta-ta for now.
Ta-ta. Ta-ta.